Hello dear students, I am Chandraprakash Pandey, your physics teacher. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, we know that due to corona pandemic, the whole country has locked down itself. The country is struggling with schools, teachers and lack of education. Our school have started online classes. You must take advantage of this opportunity. I started this channel. I started giving online classes to continue our study. Now it is easy to make connection with you all, and this will help us to cover the syllabus and to maintain the flow of study. I recommended to all my dear students to practice a lot of numericals and derivations of each and every chapters and assignments. Students, I will love to see your individual talents and strength and watching your growth during your educations. If you have any query, you can ask me in my personal WhatsApp. You can also inform the other students through WhatsApp about the online classes. I will also take a live class on Zoom app to discuss the numericals of each and every chapter. I welcome you all to join the online classes. Hope to see you soon in class, and at last stay home and stay safe. Students, let's start the syllabus of class 11 physics. There are two papers in your class 11, paper first and paper second. Paper first is theory. This is a 3 hours and this is a 70 marks, and paper second is practical, project works and practical file. Means in paper second students, practical is based on 15 marks, and this practical is will be provided in your school's lab, and project work, your summer assignment is counted as a project work, and this is based on the 10 marks, and practical file, this is the based on 5 marks. You have to complete it during the practical. Let's start the syllabus of paper first, theory. Students, there are two books in your physics, volume first and volume second, and we have categorized each volume in two sections, section A and section B. In section A we will study 3 unit, and section B we will study 3 unit, and these 3 unit is having weightage 23 marks, and these 3 units having weightage 17 marks. This is the total different syllabus of class 10, so students don't take it lightly. And in your first section and first unit, you have to study physical world and measurement. What is the physical world and measurement? In this unit we will study scope of physics, what is physics, and branches of physics, unit and measurement, error analysis, dimension analysis and application of dimensions, and lot of numericals and many more. And the second unit is kinematics. In kinematics students, we will study motion in a straight line, motion in a plane, scalar quantity, vector quantities, application of vector, multiplication of vector, addition of vectors, and many more. And the third unit is laws of motion. In laws of motion, we will study Newton's law of motion, concept of inertia and friction, uniform circular motion. This and unit 4, work, energy and power. In work, energy and power student, we will study work, types of work, and dimension and units of work, nature of work, and energy, types of energy, kinetic energy, work energy theorem, power, collision, etc. And the fifth unit is motion of system of particles and rigid body. Motion of systems of particles. In this unit we will study center of mass, often different particles, different rigid object, and rotational motion of a rigid body, moment of inertia of a different object, and couples, etc. And this last unit of volume first, gravitation. In this unit we will study gravitations and planets and satellites, Kepler's law of planetary motion, Newton's universal law of gravitation, gravitational constant, gravity, and many more. So then this is the syllabus of your first volume of physics, and the first volume of physics is 23 marks in first section and 17 marks in second section. Let's then the second volume of your physics book, volume second. Second is very important, and in this volume we will study 7th unit, properties of bulk matter. In properties of bulk matter we will study elasticity, deforming force, stress strain, Hooke's law, stress strain graph, and pressure, fluid pressure, flow of liquid, surface tension, etc. In 8 unit students, heat and thermodynamics, we will study thermal properties of matter, heat transfer, thermodynamics and laws of thermodynamics, isothermal and adiabatic process, heat engine, and etc. In 9th unit, behavior of perfect gases and kinetic theory of gas. And in this unit, this is a very small unit, and in this unit we will study behavior of perfect gas and kinetic energy of gases. What will be the velocity, kinetic energy of a molecules in a gas, degree of freedom, and law of equipotential energy, and many more. This is the first section of volume second, and it contains 20 marks. And the second section of volume second, oscillations and waves. In this unit, we will study simple harmonic motion, free, damped and forced oscillations, waves, types of waves, wave motion, and superposition of wave, interference and beats, Doppler effects, and many more. This is a very important unit for class 11th students, and this whole syllabus contains 70 marks, 23 and 17 marks in first volume, and 20 plus 30 means 40 marks from first volume and 30 marks from second volume. All total is 70 marks. Okay students, thank you very much. Hope to see you again soon in class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.